So this is a Ram 1500 running the 5.7 Hemi V8. This is the same engine as some of the Jeep Grand Cherokees, not the SRTs. They've usually got a 6.4, but pretty much talking about the same mechanical concepts. This is here because it had developed a audible lifter tick. So the owner got ahead of the 8-ball and wanted to fix that before we got to the stage where we had a camshaft chewed up, a lifter go through the engine, and a vehicle misfiring. So this guy's actually saved himself the need for a complete rebuild or a crate motor by hitting this on the head before it became a major catastrophe for him. So what we're doing is, basically it's just an MDS delete. So it's going to get a upgraded camshaft. We'll get rid of the MDS solenoids, software update, unlock the computer so that we can delete the MDS. And then unfortunately the cylinder heads do have to come off in order to get the lifters out. And then obviously we get new lifters in it with no MDS. Yeah, very good.